Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Dark Ruins Megascan sample. I've been asked to by quite a few members of my Discord just because it is kind of hard to run and set up. And I do have a 4090 GPU, so let's go ahead and check it out. So the sample is about 27.5 gigabytes. So let's go ahead and just create this project. And with the sample open, holy crap, this is actually probably one of the better looking Megascans environment that I'm really into. Not sure why. This is giving me kind of like Lord of the Rings bridge vibes where Gandalf falls in. And there's quite a few layers to this level. Just going down, and there's a pit of green fog at the bottom. As you can see from this angle, it is very high up. It's like a huge, huge cliff or cave. And it looks a bit like this is where the starting point would be. And then your character would walk up here. And then you would follow up these stairs. And then as you go into this doorway, you'll see the lighting change quite a bit. And there's this little bridge area here. And yeah, the graphics of this are they just look really, really realistic. Then you follow the bridge around here, go through this interior slash exterior. Then you probably take a view out here, and holy crap, it looks huge. Yeah, it looks like a ton was done. This looks like a really high quality Souls-like level. Then we'll continue. So we came from that way. Now I'm just going to turn around and follow the stairs up here. We're in this kind of cavern with a bunch of candles lighting up our way. And then around the corner is just another pathway. And you'll see the cell area kind of open. So let's first see if there's anything following this path, and then we'll come back to that side. Yeah, this looks super nice. So we just came from this way, and man, I can't get over how realistic this looks. And now we're just going to go down this way. And now we're starting to see a green light at the end of this tunnel. And then we'll keep going. Chains on the ceiling. And now there's a pit of green with a broken bridge down here. And it looks like the bridge used to connect, but I guess not anymore. And then you kind of end up at a wall. And these doors are closed. So there's little doorways here. It might be really dark for you to see. And the one over there. So let me go back out real quick. So back where the cell is, as soon as we leave, we'll see this broken down table and that wall, which kind of looks like the other side of what we were just looking at. And another never-ending looking drop. And it looks like the pathway here broke. And it kind of just leads us around here. And it looks like we can actually go in here. And this looks like a spooky level. All right, so I actually just clipped through the wall. I think that was it for that rocky part. All right, so I just took the camera outside, and there's a ton of water here. Looks like a kind of like a still body of water. Or maybe just a never-ending ocean. And then inside these caverns, there look like abandoned towers. Kind of looks like a post-war. And then you can kind of see these, just a ton of fog around the rocks here. And then also a upward stairs case kind of going straight into this tunnel. So we'll go up all these stairs slowly. And then we're at the entrance of this really giant doorway. And when we go inside, our journey continues again. Oh, this is the beginning of the level. How did I miss that? Let's see what I did. But then what's over here? Okay, so that part, there's nothing actually over there. And yeah, we end up right here from that staircase I found outside. But yeah, overall, a really, really gorgeous looking Megascan. Actually pretty excited to see if anyone's going to use these in their projects. Might be pretty heavy for a game, but probably a lot better for a cinematic. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.